Tower helicopter 7187 Delta. Okay, here we go.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is amazing. Hello, Los Angeles. Oh my, the breeze feels good. It feels really good. That breeze feels awesome.
Yeah, it's gonna get better as we get over the water too.
Hey guys, I am currently in a helicopter on our way to Catalina.
You feel spotted again?
Yeah.
Wow, that could have been a shark too. That's pretty neat.
Is that it right there in front of us?
That's a whale.
That's a whale, that's a whale.
There it breaches. Nice spot. Whoever got that, that was you. Good job.
Oh my gosh. That's so cool.